Hello guys, this is Julie and today I'm going to show you guys my new tablet that I got, which is the Microsoft Surface Pro 6, which I had just gotten this in the mail actually. Ordered this on Cyber Monday. It comes with the type cover and some other type cover, if that's the same thing, I'm not sure, but I needed a new tablet because you guys remember my Chewy tablet, which let me find it actually. This thing just wasn't working for me because it was so slow and it was so laggy, and I'm in college now, so I need something better. This is my old tablet. This thing is a pile of junk. So, this thing is so slow and so terrible, and this trackpad is absolutely terrible. Like, I got the keyboard for this finally, and this is just, it keeps minimizing when you're doing stuff, and it's super annoying. So this thing is just junk, and it's small too. With my vision issues, I need something bigger, so I decided to get this, which it was $800. These normally go for over $1,000, and I basically saved like $300 because of Cyber Monday deals. So this will be the tablet I'm going to use for college and things like that. Now this is the one with 8 gigs of RAM, the i5 8th gen, and 128 gigs of storage. So let's see if this can even open it, because I don't even know if this can even open it, but it is completely sealed. Yes, it is opening it. So let's just, if I can, let's just get this off. I've never had a Surface before, so I don't know how good these things are, but I assume it's really good because they've gotten good reviews. So I took off the plastic, and we are going to be, I'm going to lift this up. Now, this is really exciting because for me being in college, I need something decent. So here it is. So now I'm going to lift this up. Oh, there's the tablet. That is big. And I think this is the keyboard. It is. Look at that. That is very thin. I like the keyboard. And the color is kind of neat. It's like this gray color, and it's so thin. And this is the tablet. This thing is huge. I love this because my vision is not the greatest. And I'm not the greatest at unboxings, but I mean, this is actually pretty cool, so I'm looking forward to this. This is gonna really help me. I'm gonna set this aside as well, so let me just, I don't know, where should I put it? I'm gonna put it right here. Because I want to show the accessories here first. So what's in here? I don't know, and I can't see. Let's actually open the other one first. This other one looks easier. I think this just, yeah, just, you know, all the information about it and all that. I don't know what this is. Let's open this and see what's inside. It looks like a power brick. Yes, it is indeed. This is a power brick. And what is this? Oh, the part of the power brick. So this is actually really cool. It's got that Windows logo. That actually looks really cool. Microsoft Windows. That's neat. And the charger's like, I think it's that magnetic charger. I'm gonna set this down here because I'm gonna take the plastic off of this and put it on the keyboard. Taking off more plastic. This thing is big. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Let me show the back. Don't want to fingerprint this, but this, let me actually put up the stand. How do I get the stand up? Hopefully I don't, like, I don't want to break this, because I literally just got this thing. There we go. I'm gonna see, it stands up. Let me lift this more. Sorry guys, it's just, I don't have a tripod, so it's kind of terrible, but this is the back of it. I've seen these before, so that is huge. That is literally perfect. And I'm going to put this keyboard, and there we go. Now the keyboard's on there. It's like basically like a laptop, but it's a tablet. So let's actually plug this in because they always recommend that you charge the device before you power it on. So let's just do that. So there it is. I can't wait. I should probably do a video on this later of reviewing it and what I think of it, but this is going to be perfect for college because that Chewy tablet was just, that thing is not going to work. Like, it was so laggy. Like, that thing just, I couldn't deal with that thing anymore. It was annoying. I mean, when you're in school, you should get a pretty good computer to do your work, or at least one that can do your work. I'm going to plug this in. Power brick, and then let's see how the charger works. So where is the charger? No, that's the where's the charger? I don't know where the charger is. Is it this? I think so. I mean, it fits. I mean, is that how you charge it? I honestly don't know how to charge it. I think it's right there. Yep, that is how you charge it. So the thing is plugged in. Let's power it on, and we'll probably see like we'll see like a Cortana setup probably. Now, I'm not sure if this is gonna come with RS4 or RS5, but, I guess we'll have to see. If it's on RS4, I'm gonna see how long it takes for it to update to RS5, because I know they're not really pushing the update out that much. But if it has RS5, I'm considering putting 19H1 Insider on this and making it an Insider machine. Oh! Yeah, let's go in English, shall we? And we're gonna hear Cortana speak.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Those speakers are great.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Nice Cortana setup.
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
Let's actually listen to Cortana.
If you need an assistive screen
instead of
reader,
muting it.
press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator.
Now, I'm not gonna connect this
Let's dig in.
to the internet right away because
Your region is set to
let's actually say yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No. I'm gonna skip the network because
Now let's get you connected to a network.
let's skip the network.
That
There's a
way.
reason.
Next up, the legal stuff. In short,
I
you
like
need
this
to
part.
select accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, no Windows.
No windows. Yeah, I accept. Yeah, no
Tell what you
windows.
want to name your account.
Okay, I'm thinking, what should I name the user? Let's call it like I usually do, Patch Julia.
Okay, now
No password, cause, yeah. I like this keyboard though, this is amazing, this thing's
hey,
amazing.
look, that's me.
I'm gonna say no to Cortana, maybe later I'll enable it, but...
These are the settings Microsoft
And you know what I do?
Go
Let's
ahead,
actually use a
you
touch screen for
and
this.
select accept when you're ready.
I turn everything off. Because,
Almost
why
done now.
not?
We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Yes, Cortana. Looking forward. And this screen's perfect. I can literally see this without any issues. And if we just pull out my old tablet, let's actually do that now. It says this might take several minutes, so let's just, give it time. This isn't going to be a super long video, because I actually have some setting up to do, but it's going to be cool. Okay, so I'm going to put this other one right next to it. This is the old one, and this is the new one. So you could tell the screen on this one just looks terrible quality. This looks a lot better. And I believe this flips up. We'll try that when we're actually at a desktop. I kind of don't want to mess up the setup here. But the screen size is literally perfect on this, which I'm going on vacation. I might just take this. In fact, I think this is more powerful than my computer, so I might just leave my computer here and use this, because this is basically like a tablet and a computer, which is really cool. So, if it'll just hurry up, let's actually turn on my old one. And it says leave everything to us now, and it says almost there. And now it's probably going to be the desktop. And there it is. That is nice. I like that background. In fact, I might actually keep that. That looks cool, actually. Let's see what the battery's at. 63%. That's honestly not bad. So this actually looks really cool. Let's actually look at the specs here. So I'm just gonna this. So it says, yeah, it's Windows 10 Home. It's got an i5 8250U at 1.60 gigahertz, and then it says 1.80 gigahertz. That's confusing. 8 gigs of RAM, 64-bit OS. Connect to activate, we know that, and it says Surface right there, and this is my other one. This thing is just so junky. Let's look at these specs. They're trash. See what it just did? See, it's like, this trackpad is annoying. I hate this trackpad. And the screen is so glossy on this one too. Yeah, this is what's called terrible specs. With the Hi10 Pro tablet, Chewy Hi10 Pro. This thing is just slow. And this tablet actually is running CU. I'm gonna already guess this is RS4, because it looks like it to me. But let's just open settings and let's change. First of all, we are changing this to dark theme because light theme is hurting my eyes. So dark. Oh, that's way better. We could check here in about. It should tell us. Yep, that is on RS4. So it's on 1803. I'll probably just leave it on that until it receives 1809 because I've heard so many issues about 1809, which I know this is a Microsoft product, so it should not have any issues, but I just want to see how long it also takes to receive it. So guys, I'm gonna have to blank that out because it showed the serial, but I could show that. This was installed on November 7th, so, and yet it's the 29th here. So this was installed a couple weeks ago, I think. If I look at the calendar, it's about 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks, an extra day. I'm probably just gonna use this when I go on vacation, but I'm gonna use this for school and stuff. Let's actually check this out. Ooh, that's nice. And then you open it, and there it goes. Except, isn't it lighting up? There we go. I'm actually gonna set that up later. That's actually really cool. The Windows Hello, that's gonna be neat. So guys, there you guys have it. Let's actually open settings, system, and about on this junky thing. And well guys, I'm gonna have to stop it here, but this is on my old tablet. You can see the screen is very glossy too, and when I close this, it is super thick as well and heavy. And if I actually compare it, I feel this one and this one, that my tablet, the new one is actually lighter. But anyways, I have to go because there's background noise. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll let you know how this is, and bye bye for now.